Behold, the ROG Claymore 2. Sorry, let's try that again. The new ROG Claymore 2, the successor to the one launched 4 years ago. A lot of people love the fact that they could use it as a compact TKL keyboard, or when you do need a keypad, attach it to either the left or right side of the TKL. The versatile keypad also serves as a media controller or exclusively for custom macros. Bundled in the box are the wrist rest, a thank you card because you're awesome, the wireless dongle, don't lose it. You can connect it directly to the PC or this adapter together with the Type-C to Type-C cable to extend the wireless range. The receiver is easily within reach if you detach it often. The Type-C to Type-C cable by itself is for wired mode with fast charging. Finally, there are bonus ROG stickers, a reference map, the quick setup guide, and warranty booklet. The Claymore 2 retains the premium aluminum top plate and a detachable keypad with analog volume control from the predecessor. But that's pretty much where the similarities end. So let's move on to all the new exciting features, starting with the design. The Mayan patterns have been replaced by the slash brushed metal finish, which complements our other latest products. The ROG logo now lights up on the top left of the keyboard instead of near the spacebar, so the new magnetic foam wrist rest can be pushed up against the keyboard without blocking the logo. Since the keyboard has been upgraded to wireless this time, a clear battery status indicator glows next to the ROG logo. Hidden behind the top of the keyboard is a magnetic storage slot for the wireless receiver. This will help you to not lose it. On the left of it, the USB Type-C port is for a wired connection with fast charging. A power switch sits right in the middle of the TKL so it can be found easily without looking. And lastly, the USB pass-through port can be used when the keyboard is in wired mode. The slash design covers the bottom of the keyboard with large rubber feet to keep it in place. As you'd expect, kickstands are included to tilt the back higher if needed. Claymore 2 features a new slot and slide mechanism for attaching the keypad on either side. When separated, magnetic covers attach easily to both sides of the TKL and the keypad. The new metal railing mechanism makes it easier for the keypad to slot in and slide into place without much force, while providing a solid electrical connection. The sides are reinforced with metal construction for durability. Obviously, when it comes to the keypad, people have different preferred hands for number crunching, but think about all the times you needed to keep moving the right hand from the mouse to the keypad, and then back again. Right-handers can finally number crunch and use the mouse at the same time. As for gaming, the advantage of TKL keyboards is the extra room when the keypad is absent. The Claymore 2 allows you to simply move it to the other side, where the left hand has faster access to the volume control, programmable media buttons, and all the number keys for direct weapon change or custom macros. Faster access to keys and less hand movement are important considerations for gamers. When you have those things covered, then you need to consider how responsive the actual keys are. The Claymore 2 features ROG RX Red and RX Blue optical switches to activate via light, and so debounce delay is taken out of the equation. The RX switches utilize a special hollow stem secured by the X stabilizer mechanism to ensure keys travel vertically without wobble. The special stem reduces wobble and allows the LED to emit directly from the center, so lighting on keycaps can glow evenly no matter which sides the legends are on. The RX switches are more durable, lasting at least 100 million key presses. Let's look at the differences between the RX Red and Blue switches. The RX Red is a linear switch with the actuation point set at 1.5mm and the initial force at 40 grams, making it more responsive than mechanical switches. At the same time, not so much that you end up with a bunch of typos while you taunt your friends. Taunts are best served without typos. The total force is tuned to 55 grams, so you don't bottom out with loud clanks, and the stem rebounds back into position quickly with a familiar feel, ready for you to strike it again. Have a listen. The actuation point for the RX Blue is just the same at 1.5mm, making it just as responsive, but within that short distance, the initial force of 30 grams rapidly approaches the 65 grams required to get you over the hump before you hear the click. The rapid increase in force gives you every key press a sure, satisfying click while minimizing mispresses. Comparing to traditional clicky switches, the RX Blue reduces wobble by up to 65% to make every key press quick, timely, and controlled. Here's the RX Blue in action. The new Claymore has been upgraded with wireless freedom, giving you more control with less clutter. The dedicated media keys and volume control are handy when you want to lean back on the chair, search for something to watch, and not worry about wires. When it's time to charge the battery, or you want to utilize the USB pass-through, connect the Claymore 2 to the PC using the Type-C to Type-C cable so that you're in wired mode. A status indicator will show whether the USB pass-through port is active. The device connected to the port can be disabled manually to allow fast charging by pressing function plus F12. The battery level indicator flashes green when charging, purple if fast charging. A USB Type-C port that can supply 1.5 amps is recommended for topping up the massive battery faster. When the 4000 mAh battery is fully charged after 3.5 hours, the Claymore 2 is ready to handle up to 43 hours of gaming, even with the RGB cranked to max brightness. If you prefer the Claymore 2 without RGB to begin with, then you've got 144 hours of battery life. For a quick top-up, fast charge for 30 minutes, then you're good for 18 hours. The Armoury Crate software can be used to manage settings for power savings, wake from sleep, and low battery notifications. The color of the battery status indicators can even be set to match the keyboard. The brightness and modes of lighting for all keys can be customized in software. Choose from one of 11 preset effects, or use Aura Creator to personalize every individual key. Aura Sync offers synchronized lighting effects for your entire system. The Claymore 2 lets you do this in both wired and wireless modes. The lighting can be customized as well as their functions. Macros can be assigned the visual way via Armoury Crate, with the ability to fine-tune the amount of delay and repetition. Recording macros can also be done on the fly in 3 simple steps. Initiate by pressing function plus macro. Execute your macro. Press the macro key and assign the recorded macro to a key of your choice. The next generation of the Claymore retains the TKL with detachable keypad form factor to give you flexibility, and added all new RX optical switches with enhanced lighting effects, dedicated media keys which are customizable, 2.4 GHz wireless connection with up to 43 hours battery life, fast charging, USB pass-through, and wireless Aura Sync. Tell us what you think about the return of the Claymore.
After launching 3 keyboards, Keychron is back again with another new innovation. Introducing Keychron K6, a compact wireless mechanical keyboard crafted to maximize your workspace while improving your productivity. With a 65% layout, it comes with all the essential keys. You can easily access all the necessary multimedia and function keys through the combination of key presses, perfect for home, office, and gaming. Along with its ultra flexibility, the K6 hot swappable version allows you to alter every single switch in seconds and customize your typing experience with ease. Available in 2 types of switches, the optical switch and the Keychron switch. With the fast and precise optical switches, you can type and play in warp speed. K6 also offers various Keychron switch options as well. Whether you prefer linear, clicky, or something in between, we've got you covered. Featuring signature Keychron qualities and ideal for multitasking, K6 is compatible with macOS and Windows. The K6 can connect up to 3 devices via a reliable Broadcom Bluetooth chip, or you can connect to a single device with a Type-C cable. Comes with 15 RGB backlight options that help to type in dim environments. 2 adjustable rubber feet angles that allows you to find a more comfortable typing angle, and a 4000 mAh battery to ensure a constant power supply. Keychron K6 has all you need in a super compact size.
The chase for more is fueled by focus and precision. It's what we're known for. But legacies are meant to be left behind. Why play to your limits when you can break them? Redefine your concept of control. Forget what you know. Unleash what's next.
Wireless connectivity and control is so deeply ingrained into our everyday lives that when we're forced to use technology that is still tethered, we are not entirely happy. Cables cluttering up our desk space when all we want to do is enjoy our play can be a massive pain, but one we've had to live with to make sure that we maintain the accuracy and responsiveness we need from our gaming gear. But not anymore.
Hell yeah!
The G613 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard and the G603 wireless gaming mouse have been designed from the ground up to deliver a better than wired level of performance whilst allowing for up to 18 months of gaming on just one set of batteries.
Magic.
Elegantly engineered with crisp lines and cool curves, the G613 mechanical gaming keyboard is as beautiful as it is fast. Logitech G's highly optimized LIGHTSPEED technology reduces latency, and the report rate of just 1 millisecond makes the G613 quicker than most wired gaming keyboards. You can also pair with various Bluetooth devices at the press of a button. The integrated palm rest makes this wonderfully comfortable to use for work and play over long periods, and Logitech G's very own Roma G key switches mean you only need to exert 45 grams of pressure to actuate each keystroke, helping to reduce long-term fatigue. The switches themselves also boast an actuation distance of a mere 1.5mm, allowing you to be up to 25% quicker on the draw than standard mechanical switches. The G613 also benefits from dedicated media buttons, so you can control the soundtrack to your play with ease. The icing on the cake for your ultimate wireless desk setup though has to be the bundled cell phone stand. Nice. The opportunity to go fully wireless and sacrifice nothing doesn't stop with the keyboard. The G603 wireless gaming mouse ushers in a new standard of optics with Hero, the high efficiency rated optical sensor. This boasts incredible power efficiency, 10 times better than the previous generation, whilst also delivering world-class accuracy and responsiveness. You can easily switch between the high 1 millisecond and low 8 millisecond report rates as occasion demands, with the low or Bluetooth setting giving you up to 18 months of gaming between battery changes. Much like the G613 gaming keyboard, this mouse can harness Logitech's LIGHTSPEED technology, or Bluetooth for connectivity, and its ergonomic contours and sleek wireless design mean it both looks and feels fantastic. If you're ready to declutter your desktop and embrace wireless play, then just head over to logitechg.com.